instantly transport you out of New Jersey and into another world.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be an unboxing for the new ULTIMEA Skywave X40 5.1.2 wireless surround sound system. So let's get into it and I'll show you what comes inside the box, how to set it up, and how well it sounds. To attach the center channel to the right side, you insert these brackets or these screws right here, or these bolts right here to the opening here, and then you twist it. Like so, and then you twist it. It's very easy to do. And then you just repeat the same step for the other side. And then you twist. So this is how the ULTIMEA Skywave X40 looks. You have your soundbar, you have your two rear speakers, and then you have your subwoofer. So let's take a closer look how everything looks. So this is how the soundboard looks. You have your speakers right here in the center, and then you got a speaker on top also. Here are your controls. So this is your power on, your source, your Bluetooth, lower the volume, raise the volume, and you turn it over to the back. You have your mounting screws right here. You have your two HDMI ports. You have your optical, USB, and then your power. And this is how the speakers look on the back. You have your mounting screw, and then to pair it, same as the other one. And then here's your subwoofer. You have your speaker on the side. On the back, you have your porthole, your power adapter, and then your on and off button right there. So let's see the included accessories that it comes with. So you have your HDMI cable. You have an optical cable. You have your power adapters right here. You have mounting brackets if you want to mount it to the wall. Brings your mounting screws and your anchors right here. And you have your remote control. Okay, so let's set it up. Okay, so I'm gonna attach this behind my TV so that way it's not in the way in the front here. So, slide it through. So you can see I put it in the back of my TV and you can still see it. So it's hidden, and it's still gonna work perfectly fine. I like how you're able to set up the rear speakers anywhere that you want, because all you need is just an outlet to plug in for the power, and then you press the sync button to sync it once you're ready to sync it to your soundbar. And on the bottom is where you plug it in. So I have one rear speaker here. I put another rear speaker on this side. And then I have the subwoofer hidden on the back right here. Sounds
only about 2 hours
with the surround sound on.
This temple is hand carved from a
that you can hear the bass coming out from the speakers.
The detail is incredible.
Now I'm going to show you with the TV speaker. This is with the TV speaker.
The temple sits on 126 acres.
So with the surround sound, it sounds a lot better.
Instantly transport you out of New Jersey and into another world. The architecture alone is jaw-dropping. It's not just a place of worship, it's a living art. On weekends, you'll need to reserve time entry tickets online.
So with this ULTIMEA app, you see which device is connected. I have my Skywave X40, and then you click on here, and then you're able to mute the device, raise the volume, lower the volume, change the EQ to different standards. You can play with the surround sound, the up firing, the X up mix. Then you can even customize it to which EQ that you want. And then if you want to really customize it, you set your different points where you want it. So this app works very well. And you could turn the power on and off. You could change your different sources. So you don't even need the remote control
one of these, I'm going to post a
to
link
change
in the
and lower the
description,
volume
and you
of
can
your
buy this
surround
from
sound.
Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great soundbar to have. I like how it has the 5.1.2 channel, and also like how it has the Dolby Atmos system on here. I like how the rear speaker and the subwoofer is wirelessly connected to the soundbar. It's very easy to set up. The sound quality is very nice when you're watching movies and listening to music. The subwoofer has a nice bass to it, and this is a great system to have if you're trying to watch movies and listen to music in a professional setting. Thanks for watching.